Hi, this is again Hallie, the Ghostbuster Tech. Let's just show you the 3D printed uh, trap that I made. I did not 3D print it myself. I've buy it, and I'm not that much proud of that thing, but it cost me a lot of money and time, uh, and it well look okay. Um, So, yes, you will say me that button here is not screen accurate. I'm gonna say you're totally right. Um, Color are not exactly good. This is supposed to be silver, not gray, and this is not the good button. Uh, and the trap here, I've put electronic inside, but they don't work. I've tried to put enough battery, but I don't have enough electronic. This here are Lego made to help the door open when I'm gonna have an actuator to open it. I say an actuator, I don't know, it's a good things to say. I brought it from the same guy who I bought the 3D printed V-hook and PK meter that my wife used. It's not perfect at all. In fact, it's not very good. As you can see there, this is not that much good. V-hook is nice, but it's so much. It's not that much heavy, but it's pretty heavy on the belt. I've put electronics here. Two lights. That's all I could get because and it's on a 9 volt. I believe my electronic circuit or my LED are not good. They came from uh, uh, sorry, Christmas light, and they made for far stronger current, so alternative current. So on DC, it's not good. No, this switch doesn't do any good. This is removable, but you have to unscrew it, and it's pretty fragile. Um, it's supposed to be removed here, as you can see, like in the movie, to extract it so it can go in the containment. But I had to screw it on in. But it taught me a lot on how to use things, how to build, and of course how to 3D print. I had many accidents with it. She fell and break more than one time. First time in Montreal Comic Con, the handle broke here, and this also broke from this, so it's uh, not like it was at the origin. I made this removable so I can upgrade it, but never got the electronic or after these numerous accident, this also falls, so I have to rescrew it. After this numerous accident, I lose interest to modify it that much, so it's a big paperweight, and this is getting me to say that you gotta be aware of what you're putting on your belt, because it's on you. It's weighting something, and your belt can go down. I break two belt before because they weren't solid enough. The original belt are not very solid. So my wife and her sister, they have very light things on the belt, nearly nothing. They don't want to have the stress to add weight. My belt have numerous things. I got a Matty collector picky meter. I got a gizmo. I got a spirit Halloween trap with the holder. I got a keychain, a holder to my Matty ecto goggles. I got my glove. I got so much things. It's very very heavy, and I also got the pistols, the Legos. Sorry, mine is transparent. So be aware of what you put on your belt. I know more is better, but sometimes you need to go lighter or buy a better belt. Myself, I got a quick release, and it's a fucking great belt. I try to put the link below in the description. So thank you very much.